guys, and welcome back to another video. And today again the free series of free websites, and today sites for free things. Today we are going to free coding projects, and which are Python projects. And I swear to God, it's super free and with source code, so you can use and for your projects, final projects, I don't know. So just come to this website that I will show you, and you will find what you want to. Okay, so the website is called DarekDari.com, and as you can see here, you can find free coding projects: Python, JavaScript, Java, PHP, HTML, CSS projects, and more. You can come here to projects with source code, and you can find the language that you want to, I don't know, learn. And here also you can find some fixed errors, especially for WordPress. And also you can find AI projects here under computer engineering. Okay, so for today we will not focus on all of these, we just will focus on Python. But also you can find some AI tools like audio to text, YouTube or Yofan Instagram name generator, link prediction analysis model. Also you can find some programming exercises if you are super beginner, so if you want some Python exercises. So let's just go a little bit deep. So you can click here and a PDF will be downloaded into your browser, but your computer, and you will learn. Of course, there are variables, exercises about strings, lists, if else, arrays, etc., etc. Also there are C++ exercises, JavaScript practices, and also PHP practices. And there are some free books, but just some free books, because I think they put the best books. So as you can see here, for JavaScript just 4, but I think these are the best books to learn JavaScript, so that's why they just put this. Alright, so let's go to Python and see how many projects there are. Let's click. As you can see here, you can find projects with source code, projects from GitHub, free projects with source code with documentation, or for final year students. Okay, let's go a little bit down. As you can see here, you can find multi-projects, and from beginners to also advanced. So here, for example, let's go and see. So best flames game in Python, I think this is for beginners. Yeah, let's just click on any project. As you can see here, it's a blog. They will tell you what is the game, or what is the project, what is for, and then you can find the implementation. And the best thing is step by step, so you will understand what is this. They will make sure, so this is the full code, and then they will explain it step by step. As you can see here, what is the import random, defining the first function, what is calculate flames. You can understand here that this is the code, and then we have another function which is display result. So every single thing is explained very well. And the best thing, by the way, they put some enhancing, or for example, they give you a project about, let's say, calculator. They will give you simple calculator if you will search for a beginner calculator in Python, and then they will put some enhancements that you can do, yes, and they will give you also the code. For example, here in the Flames game, they said that you can enhance your code by adding an interactive GUI, and they gave it to you, and they told you with what, and they explained it also. And you can add, for example, multiplayer mode, extended relationship inside. So this website is amazing. But also this is for beginners. You can find lots of beginners projects, but also you can find like this. For example, this one is best MVC to-do list project for beginners. Okay, this is still for beginners, but it's with MVC. So I think this one is super detailed, because MVC is something not easy, but I think they made it easy for beginners. So yeah, for example here, for machine learning, so using Python, of course, this is for advanced learners. Implementation of, oh, there is even Spanish. Wow, that's cool. By the way, guys, you can change the language here. There is Arabic, Chinese, English, French, German, Italian. I think that's it. Yes, so you can choose the language that you want to choose to, and then everything will be changing. Wow. Meilleure application de planification en Python avec code source 2024. Wow, my French is so good. Okay, let's just remand it to English. So as you can see, there are lots of projects and also some lessons here. Oh, it's for computer or AI lessons, for deep learning here, or also machine learning. So you can find machine learning projects and also machine learning lessons, I think so. So this website is super amazing. You can just come in and dive into the website more, and as I told you, there are lots of other languages. And by the way, they do put projects every single day. For example, this one, wow, it's just 28 seconds ago. No, I don't think so. I think I just entered. No, I think yes. It's just 28 seconds ago they put this is 9 hours ago. So they really do put projects each and every day, and sometimes 2 or 3 projects, as you can see here. So 9 hours, so the same day they put this, and also this, oh no, this previous day. So it is very, very good website that you can just dive in. Again, it is called DarekDari.com. DarekDari.com. Of course, I will put it in the description box, and also in the first comment I will pin it, so you can just go there and dive into this website. By the way, you can also click here, get open source projects, or here go to projects, and you will find the programming languages that they are putting projects for. And also you can contact them, for example, if you want I don't know, if they, for example, they are focusing more on Python projects or JavaScript, but you want Java, for example. So just contact them. Trust me, I contacted them, and they really put projects at the right time. So just contact. They are so sweet. They're so nice. Very, very good customer relationship specialists working with them. So very good website, and especially free. It's super free. All right, you guys, so we came to the end of this video. If you really liked this video, please do a like, and just share it with your friends, or I don't know, just share it. Just help me. I'm helping you. All right, so bye bye.